Here's how to use Wallet by BudgetBakers. The first thing that you're going to do is to make sure that you have already secured your account. You can connect with Google, Facebook, or sign in using your email. Afterwards, once you're already signed in, you can now go ahead and select a base currency depending on which currency that you have on the country that you're currently in. Remember to just choose the right currency of the right country. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and set up your cash balance depending on how much load would you like to do to your wallet so that you can have a sufficient balance to your wallet. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and click on the plus button on the main dashboard of the app, and then from there you can go ahead and do some transfers on your own. Once you click on that, what you need to do is to enter the amount that you wanted to purchase and then go ahead and click on the category options and select wallet so that you can use the sufficient funds that you load up to your wallet.